Hi everyone, my name is Ken. Welcome to This House. Today we are discovering two mysterious towers in the College Hill neighborhood of St. Louis, Missouri. Standing tall over the surrounding buildings, the scale of these towers overpowers the surrounding neighborhood. But why are they here and what are they for? Let's find out. If you saw our recent video about the tower at the Compton Hill Reservoir, you could probably guess the answer. These two towers are similar, as they were both built to be standpipe water towers, making St. Louis the American city with the most of these elaborate structures. Designed by William S. Eames in 1885, the Bissell Street Water Tower once served the surrounding neighborhood. It was designed in the likeness of a Moorish minaret and has become a city landmark, though it narrowly escaped demolition after it became obsolete in 1913 when the city introduced new methods for storing and distributing water to the neighborhood. Thankfully, the Bissell Street Water Tower was restored in 1960 and added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1970. Sitting near this tower is the oldest of the three located in St. Louis. The Grand Avenue Water Tower is the tallest freestanding Corinthian column in the world. At 154 feet, it is more than twice the height of the freestanding Corinthian columns known as the Pompey Pillars in Alexandria, which is only 67 feet tall. The tower was built in 1871 and designed by architect George I. Barnett in the form of a Corinthian order column with brick, stone, and cast iron trim. Inside was a standpipe with a diameter of 5 feet designed to hold water. In addition to being used for firefighting, the pressure in the pipe regulated water pressure in the area. In 1912, the water tower was decommissioned and its standpipe and internal spiral staircase were removed. The staircase was replaced by a vertical ladder, and the tower was modified to include an aircraft warning light. In 1998, the water tower was restored and lit by floodlights. Both of these towers are closed to the public. However, being that they are both located in roundabouts, you can get amazing views of them as you circle them in your vehicle. Thank you all for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time on This House.